Hi there, in this video we are going to talk about how we can create a block using interactivity API. So in this I'm not gonna build an actual block, but I'm gonna show you the process of how to start building a block using interactivity API. So in my previous video I explained the basics of interactivity API, and now we will go further. So if you are new to this video, I would recommend to watch this playlist where I am explaining building custom block development. So I would recommend to watch that first, and if you know what you are doing, then continue watching this video. So let's begin. So currently we have two methods to build WordPress block using interactivity API. So first one is to build from scratch, and another one is to convert your existing block to interactive block. So first I'm gonna show you how we can build interactivity block from the scratch. So I'm gonna open this quick start guide. Here is my local WordPress setup, and I'm gonna go to plugins page. So here is the command where we can use create block command, and in that block we can use this template to build interactive block. So I'm gonna copy this and I will run to my plugins folder, and I will give this block name BWP interactive block. So this is the common create block command with the template which will create interactive block. So I'm gonna run this command and let's wait for few minutes.
A few moments later.
So our block is ready. So now let's switch to the folder and let's run npm start. So after creating this block, the process is same. We have to run this command npm start. Now I will go to plugins page, and then my plugins name is BWP interactive block. So I'm gonna activate this. I will go to post, and let me delete this, create new post. And my block name is that should be, let's open the folder BWP interactive block src block.json, and this is my plugin name, block name. So this is the starter block for interactivity. So here we can interact with this block, we can toggle, switch to theme. So this is basically a sample interactive block. So this is the method one where we can directly start with interactive block. Now next is to see how we can convert our existing block to interactive block. So this will be used when you decide that you want to make your existing block interactive instead of the static one. Then this will be useful to you. So for that I'm gonna open my already created block. This is my sample block. It is it is a static block and I want to convert it into the interactive block. So for that, let's just start npm. So for that, we have to follow some steps. So let's look into that steps. So here on this page, so code requirement to add interactivity in your existing project. So first we need to install the WordPress interactivity package. So I'm gonna copy this and then I will stop the npm from my existing block. Let me make it a little bigger. And then we will install the WordPress interactivity package. So let's wait for the package. So it is now installed. Then we have to import the store into view.js. So this is the main file to write the script instead of adding the custom JS and then write our script. So whenever we want to add script related to the interactivity, that goes inside this view.js file. So I'm gonna copy this and I will open view.js. So currently there is nothing. So I'm gonna remove everything from this file. And then we will just import this store from the interactivity. Then we have to add support to block.json. So in the block.json, in the supports section, we have to add interactivity true. That will indicate that the block supports the interactivity features. So I'm gonna open block.json. So I'm gonna run the npm again, sorry. And in the supports, I will add one more section, interactivity true. Then we have to load the interactivity API JavaScript code with view script module, and we have to use our view.js as view script module. So in the same block.json, so here we have this view script. We have to change it to view script module. And for using of view script module, it requires to add experimental modules flag for build and start script. So we will open the package.json of the plugin or block, and then we will add this experimental modules to this script section for build and start. So in our previous step, we created interactive module from the scratch using the template. In the template, these things are already included. So let me show you that. This one, sarc block.json, sorry, not block.json, but package.json. So if you pay attention to build and start, it has already this thing included because we used the interactivity template. So that's that. Now what's the next step? And then in our DOM directive, we have to activate the interactivity API. So for that, if you use save.js or render.js, we have to add this data attribute, data WP interactive. Then this should be your plugin slug or whatever the name you want to give to plugins interactivity feature. So that we need to add in the render.php or save.js. So in my case, I am using save.js. So in the save.js, let's say I want to include interactivity API, interactivity to the whole blog. Then I have to define this over here. So we will learn about this deeply in our upcoming videos. This is just to show you the steps to convert your existing plugin or block into interactive block. And yeah, that's it. You can change your plugin slug or whatever you want to have as your interactivity module. So yeah, this is how we can create or we can start making interactive blocks. So this is the video, guys. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video.